Win some Proline tyres, win some Proline tyres, or you can win, get this puppy out of here, a winch, and it even comes with its little worn sticker. How cool is that, eh? So guys, that's going to be this year's competition. Some guys need tyres, some guys need a winch. Write me in the comment which of the two you need, and I shall put you in the draw. Now let's get back into today's video. And we're at the exhaust shop. So what we're doing here today is we're going to delete this silencer completely and replace it with a straight tube. Exhaust is back, straight tube. Let's hope it fits, because one thing he warned me about was that it might change the angle a little bit. I'm just hoping he was wrong. So I've been editing and I've been missing some footage, basically where I tell you that I have to get the Discovery quickly. Problem is, I'm wearing this t-shirt and my red t-shirt's in the wash. So let me get the Discovery quickly. Okay, let's get this back in there. I always have to lift the truck up so that the axle is actually twisted, so that I can twist in the exhaust pipe through the loop over here. And that's it. That was a much quicker installation as last time. So that is sitting in there quite snug. I broke that little rubber. Got to get a new one. I've tied it up at the moment just with an earth leakage cable. But other than that, she's sitting perfectly. 100%. Let's start her up. So basically I'm hoping this is going to be just a little bit louder than with a silencer. Let's hope it's not too loud. That is not bad. And we're back on the trail. I want to see what the changes sound like that I made on the exhaust. So I'm going to run the Defender, Jesus, the Defender. Sorry, Land Rover guys. the Discovery 1 to be exact, through the trail, and let's listen to that exhaust note. Here we go. Let's see if I can start this up with one hand, because I can't really hold. Yes, I could. Here we go. Yes! Ho, 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 ho. So I have got the low range in, if you look at it a little closer. Low range and the diff lock, the center diff lock on. Okay. So I've added this little gear knob, which was in my first Range Rover Classic that I bought. It was a 1979 Range Rover Classic. I kept this and now it's in the Discovery. Now let's take down, yes. There we go. Just taking the clutch out slowly, managing to drive up the first obstacle. Let me actually put the camera outside. Whoa! Oh, come on. Where's my key? Found my key. Start her up. Give it some gas. Okay, we have fuel in the system. does it. Clutch and brakes, playing them both so that we get a slow, super slow crawl. That's the nice thing about not having doors. It makes you see what you're doing. Beautiful. Now that is an amazing exhaust note. Everything I've ever wanted. Anyway, guys, I am very happy with that. I love the way the engine or the exhaust note makes that engine sing up and down in the revs. Absolutely beautiful. I'm a little bit out of breath. I've been setting up the cameras up on the obstacles, down on the obstacles. But anyway, I think this turned out perfect. Anyway, guys, that's it for me for this week from Turtle Worx. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.